Uh-oh, be careful coming down there. Good job. You just watch those girls do that. That's how you know how to do that. Look like a burglar coming out of the general store, Lou. Yeah, those big girls just showed you how you crawl through the window, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you're looking over there at the big kids. All the other kids on the playground. It's a multi-culti playground. Yeah. There's the park in the background.